Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. Welcome if you're new here. I just wanted to quickly touch base on what I'm making here is a little beach on a mug. You'll see what I do step by step a little bit here and there. Don't have a lighter brown for the darker part of the sand, so I did use a darker kind of weird brown color, but that's all I had. So I was like, okay, I gotta make it like this. I thought it'd be cool. It still looks a lot nice when you see the end of it and how I do the finishing touches. Anyways, so that's it for that. Go check out my other two channels, my crafting, not my craft, well, yeah, check this one out too, but also check out my Ivy channel, my dog, which is my dog channel, and lastly, go check out my, my fun fact channel. That one's good. That one's going to be loaded with fun things to do, more positive and uplifting as well. What else was I going to say? That's basically it. You know, you guys have a great rest of your evening. Enjoy, sit back, enjoy, or join with me. That'd be awesome too. Join, sit back, enjoy watching it. Anyways, have a great rest of your day. Keep smiling, keep shining. Bye now.